Hello and welcome to Abado News. Before I start, I'm smoking a Sanjo Panza Omeros. You have the information on the screen. I got this on my last trip to Cyprus. It was original edition for Greece and Cyprus. It's a Sanjo Panza, beautiful cigar. 2020 edition released in 2022, and I am drinking a glass of Chardonnay, and I'm going to show you the bottle. This is a Charlemagne 2017. It's a Grand Cru. Chardonnay, only 2,597 bottles made. Some people will say it's a bit too early to drink it. It's one of the best Grand Cru Chardonnay from Burgundy. Some people like to age it longer. This is the second bottle I try. I love it. It's very flinty, citrusy, it's honey, cinnamon. Beautiful wine, beautiful, creamy, very, very good wine. So I'm going to talk to you today about an important subject. I received an email from a friend of mine saying I bought a box of Coiba 55th anniversary a few months ago for 3,000 euros. I would like, I'm starting a new business. I need some money. I would like to sell this box. Can you recommend something for me to sell this box? And on the same day, one of the subscribers of the channel sent me a message saying, I can buy a box of Coiba 55th anniversary for 3,300 euros. Do you think it's a good opportunity for investment? So I did not expect this channel to talk about investment, but to talk about Cuban cigars, but to talk about Cuban cigar investment or investments in Cuban cigars. Why not? Okay, the question is not whether it's good or bad to buy cigars for investment. It's a matter of fact. I realize younger people, especially when there's money to be made, they can even buy sneakers. I saw a pair of sneakers, um, sports shoes from Nike being sold for $1,300. Probably cost $5 or $10 to make. So I realized that Cuban cigars, because of short supply, high demand, have become a sought after item, and that people found the opportunity to make some money out of it. And I spoke to Victor from Cigarland. Cigarland is a Swiss auction website. And Victor told me, yeah, there are some traders on the website, some guys who buy and sell. They keep the money there in a wallet. You can leave a wallet there, and you can become a trader. Look at opportunities. You can put a price at which you would like to buy, maximum price, and then once you buy the box, just um, put it back for sale, and so on. So if you make $300-400 on a box, you make this 25 times a month, and you can make $10,000 a month in profit. So this is probably a new job. On top of that, you have professional people there, gray market shops too, and so the market now is bringing liquidity. There is liquidity brought to the market, so it's becoming like a sort of cigar stock market. So I've decided to make some videos. So consider this the introduction to the next videos. I'm going to talk about money. I'm going to talk about investment, looking at prices, evolution, what to buy, and how to build up a $1 million collection. How much do you have to invest based on the historical appreciation? Obviously, the question is, after the 2022 price hike, can we expect prices to go up that much? I'm going to talk about all of that. If you have any idea, any subjects you want me to talk about, don't hesitate. Leave me a comment and I'll bring this into consideration. I'll take this into consideration. So let's have a look at this cigar. 2021 limited edition. This is worth $300, euros. Do I think that it's a good opportunity to buy now? Well, first of all, nobody knows what the future is looking will look like, and what prices will look like. The question is, why are they so easy to buy, and why all the shops have them? Did they make millions of them? Maybe. Are the price too high? Maybe. I'm going to talk to you about this one. It's the Robusto Supremos. This is the box. 2014. Next year it will be 10-year-old cigar. I bought this cigar for $35 a piece in 2015. Now on auctions it's $4,000 for the box, which is $400 for a cigar. So the price was went 11-fold roughly. Do I think that this is going to go tenfold to 3,000 a piece? No way. 11-fold? No, of course not. So what is the upward potential of this cigar? I would be surprised if this even doubles in price. Why? Because as cigar prices go up, there is a limit. They don't go they go up, but not in a straight line. If you look at the Monte Cristo Supremos limited edition 2019, it was sold for 600-700 euros at the beginning. Then very quickly, now it's like it was launched probably 2021, 22. It was on the market 20, 21, 22, and it was now it's worth 2,000. So probably three times, threefold. So do I think that this being a Coiba will go up much more than 330? I don't think so. Maybe 400 to reach the price of this, maybe 450, but when? 10 years? If it goes from 330 to 450 in 10 years, that's 30% in 10 years. That's not even 2% per annum compounded. 250. I have to make the calculations, but you know what I mean. It's not going to be 10% per annum. And you have to ask yourself, why are there so many cigars on the shelf? If they made millions and the market is not absorbing these cigars, you have the explanation. The price is too high. There are too many cigars, so it will take time to disappear from the shelves. And once these have been sold, then price might slowly go up. But you have to realize that Habanos has launched a lot of cohibas, ambers, novedosos. Now you have the Ideales, which is a collection book. The Cohiba Ideales, 3,000 boxes made of 20 cigars. They're selling now for about $20,000 for 20 cigars. It's $1,000 a cigar. So there's big demand for that because they're rare. These are not rare. On top of that, Habanos launched this, which is the premiere. They made a lot of cigars. Some boxes are selling for $5,000, $1,000 stick. Is it worth it? No, I don't think so. I know so. So even if it's a great cigar, even in 10 years, $1,000 for this cigar, there are a lot on the market. So you have to think about that. So don't go and jump and buy anything that has a Coiba label on it, thinking you're going to double your money, because maybe it is the end of the bubble, especially as a recession is looming in Europe. The recession is coming. Purchasing power is going down. Even China. Chinese were buying a lot of talisman at $3,000 a box. They're not buying the 2021 limited edition Coiba 55th anniversary at $3,000 a box. It means either they stop buying or they don't have as much money as before. Maybe the market is saturated for these very expensive cigars. So maybe it is the end of this big bubble where they could not get enough. There is something happening because the shops, especially in Switzerland, and a lot of shops are selling to China. They are selling and sending cigars to China. Some shops send a third of their inventory to China. And now they still have these cigars on the shelves. So be careful if when buying expensive boxes, if you think that you're gonna make some extra money. There are so many expensive luxury style boxes coming on the market. I do not know if the demand is there to buy all those boxes. Linea de Euros, Trinidad, they are on the shelves. Coiba is always very special, but it depends how many they make. Because if they saturate the market of Coibas at 300 a stick, I wouldn't be surprised if the cigar get stay on the shelves for a long time. So I'm going to make some videos about prices, about evolution of prices, how to build up a $1 million collection, looking at the price appreciation, historical price appreciation of cigars, what to buy, how to sell. I've talked to a different participant in the market, so it will be interesting for those who are interested in this market. But I wouldn't be surprised if we reach a kind of bubble now with um, Habanos putting a lot of very expensive boxes on the market. Everything that seems to be new seems to be luxury and reaching at least $1,000 for a box. And people like me who smoke, my friends, you aficionados, you don't want to buy a box for $1,000. You want to buy a box for $300, $400, and smoke it and enjoy it. And this is understandable. So please leave me some comments to let me know what you want me to talk about if you have any ideas. So this is definitely the first video to talk about money and investment, and I'm going to be making more in the coming weeks. I need some to make some research. I have a lot of figures already. I have some content. If you like this video, if you like this channel, please kindly subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make a new video. In the meantime, I wish you a good day, a good evening for some people, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Goodbye.